Hey guys, it's Joey again. If you like this video, press subscribe, ask your friends to as well. It's fun. Wonder what Sean Connery would sound like toward the end of his days when he had a lower voice if he was gonna order something from Starbucks. He might come up to the window and say, I would like a strawberry acai refresher. But I'm not going to call it acai because it's stupid and ridiculous. I'm going to call it acai because I'm Sean Connery. I was in the League of Extraordinary Gentlemen and I'm also 007. And therefore, I would like a strawberry acai refresher, but no inclusion and no lemonade, just water, shaken, not stirred. Sean Connery. Subscribe to the channel because Joey, First Impressions, is a wonderful, extraordinary gentleman.